Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mixed dal dhokla using an easy method. This traditional Gujarati snack is light, healthy, and incredibly flavorful. We'll start by soaking our key ingredients: 1 cup of chana dal, half a cup of urad dal, and half a cup of rice. Let them soak for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure they soften perfectly for the next step. Once soaked, drain the water and grind the mixture into a thick, coarse batter, similar to semolina. Now, incorporate half a cup of sour yogurt and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger chili paste for flavor. Transfer this batter to a large bowl, cover it, and let it ferment in a warm spot for 8 to 10 hours. This crucial step develops the signature tangy taste and airy texture. After fermentation, gently stir 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt into the batter. You'll see it become frothy. Immediately pour this light batter into greased steaming plates. Steam the dhokla for about 15 to 20 minutes over medium-high heat until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While it steams, gather your tempering ingredients like mustard seeds, sesame seeds, and curry leaves. For the tempering, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds and sesame seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add a few chopped green chilies and fresh curry leaves, sautéing briefly. Carefully add a 1/4 cup of water and a pinch of sugar, bringing it to a boil. Pour this flavorful tempering evenly over your steamed dhokla, garnish with fresh coriander, and serve warm with chutney.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.